Dandridge right there. Reggie, double Reggie. Oh my God. Don't you can't. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh no!
Julian Patton Jr. Earth. The Julian Patton Jr. Bada boom! Oh my God! Bird Erving and Magic Johnson. Oh, Julian, the card. Mike McCoy, you got some company. You gotta be absolutely kidding me. Larry Bird, Dr. J, and Magic Johnson. I'm doing it again. A bird, a doctor, and some magic. The card. It's unbelievable. Oh my God. Bird, Erving, and Johnson. This is, and then we got. Gotta.
What you want?
One bourbon, one scotch, one beer. How about one bird, one Dr. J, Magic Johnson, pack fresh, back-to-back weeks. Julian Patton Jr. How much? Try. How much? 114,000 last year in a 10. It's a tad left or right. Oh, a tad. Come on, Bird, move your butt over a little bit. But boy, that is the card. Oh my God. Joe Wackham, Gene Prescott. And this is not right. We can't do back-to-back and it takes all the fun out of it. What am I talking about? I want to pull another one. Let's sell out another one. Oh my God. Magic Johnson, Dr. J, and Larry Bird. We open these packs. You know what we're looking for? Beyond good stuff. 1980. Last 10, 114,000. We're going to have now 2 going in to be graded.
Wow.
Wow.
Tell Louie and let us know which grading company you want to use.
Julian Patton Jr., let us know what grading company. We're open to cross grading. We will incur that cost to get you the best grade possible. It's unbelievable. Who I love? A bird, a doctor, and a little magic. Wow, that is unbelievable. I'm milking it again. Oh, I'm milking it. No, I'm going to hold this card up here till it burns a hole in everyone's phone or tablet or TV. That is unbelievable. And Mike McCoy said we had 2 birds in the pack. Killed 2 birds with 1 pack. We didn't kill them, but you know what I mean. We pulled 2 birds in 1 pack. Wow. I couldn't. I saw the. Wow. I don't know, Mike, if that was better or it looks almost identical. It's unbelievable. Wow. I gotta label this Julian Patton Jr.
It's the unreal.
Julian Patton, you were with us last night. Wow. We will not get those mixed up or confused. I mean, and there's a Laker pinup still coming there somebody's way. Holy cow.
Wow.
Holy cow. Where's Phil Rizzuto?
Holy cow! Holy cow!
Wow. Everybody take a good sip. Wish Julian Patton Jr. a round of applause there. That is one of the best basketball cards. Besides the 61 Flair up there, and besides Michael Jordan, that's right up there. Again, rookie year, that alone is worth a lot. And just throw a doctor in the middle. Like they needed to do that. They could have put the worst NBA player there, and it's still worth some money. Wow. Julian Patton Jr., that is yours. Let us know what grading company PSA is closed, but you know what we'll do. Okay, let's continue. Wow, what a pardon the interruption there. I couldn't even get all that. Andrew Leverage. Yeah, wow. Stay ahead there. We're getting all of those. That was a great pack. I will watch this again. Graded, unsearched, and sealed. Pack fresh. Julian Patton Jr. Got to get as close as I can. He does look like a bird, I tell you. One of the great, Larry Legend, the Hick from French Lick. Wow.